What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be cleaning out knockers. I forgot to do an intro, so here's your intro. This is me cleaning it out and it's absolutely disgusting and it's a huge transformation, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the video and see the aftermath because it looks so much better. But yeah, enjoy, I guess. Okay, so change of plans. I have this purple power spray that I've been using, and I just been using like a scrub brush. Wasn't sure how it would work. Wasn't sure how it would work. So, I mean, it did really good for like up here, like that's after doing it, and this is before. So there's obviously a difference. But it wasn't working well with the carpet. So we rented out a wet vac, it's called, whatever it's called, I don't know, from Home Depot. So we're going to try that and that should work a lot better. So I'm going to just do one side, soak it with the purple power spray, and then use the wet vac and see what it does. But honestly, just vacuuming had huge difference. Like, it looks great just for vacuuming. So honestly, this truck reeks. So a lot of the smell I know is in the carpet. So we really need to do a good job cleaning it so that it smells good. So But also the seats, we're probably gonna put them back in for now. They're obviously ripped and stuff, but the plan is to put like bucket seats in it. So yeah, we gotta get some bucket seats. But yeah, let's get to wet vacuum. Let's get to using the wet vac thing, my jigger, and see how it works. And yeah. I'm telling you, that was only half of the car. This car, truck, whatever, stinks. It smells so bad. And like once you're cleaning it, then the smells really come back out. Gross. Okay, I'm gonna go refill more water and do the other side. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was gross. That was like extremely gross, but it's a lot better. So now we're gonna do the door panels because they have like carpet and stuff on it. All of that, like carpet and rug and whatever, holds in smell. So we're gonna do those and see. I sprayed them earlier, but I'm gonna spray them again and then see what the wet back does. All right, so I am going to wrap up the garage and I will see you guys in the next clip, which will be tomorrow when everything dries and then we can see the final result and put the mats back in and everything like that. But yeah, it's just like, look at all the junk. What? Crazy. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so this is the next day. I look terrible. I do not feel good. My shoulder is killing me and I haven't got any sleep, so yeah. But let me show you the truck. So it looks a lot better and super clean. Even these look really good. So I forgot to do an outro. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will leave all the links down below of everything that I used in the video to clean the truck in the bio. Also, I leave my Amazon storefront, which is everything that I've gotten from Amazon for my Camaro. And if I ever get anything for knockers, I will put it on there also if it's from Amazon. So, and all my detailing products are there. Everything like that is on my Amazon storefront. If you're interested, check it out. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys ever have any ideas for knockers or anything you guys want to see, leave it down below. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.